Flow is our option for creating content that is truly responsive. You create one page, and it responds to different screen widths. You don't waste time making and editing multiple versions of the same page. Flow lets you tap into modern visual design like the best websites. Create gorgeous content with parallax backgrounds, content sections, and scroll-triggered entrance effects. Make longer, single-page learning experiences instead of just building things in a box. Flow lets you include all the interactivity and engagement you need. From our new library of components to question and practice pages, and even inter-page branching, there are no limits on what you can make. With Flow, you can use the power of responsive design to create content for more than just formal e-learning. Job aids, a knowledge base, infographics. It's great content to help your learners on the job, not just in the LMS. Flow opens up so many new content experiences. It's an important part of how we're helping you help your learners in more ways than ever before.